Parker, are you being nice to your sister? She put on her new dress. Eddie, can you show? Come over here, Eddie. Can you show everybody your dress? That's pretty. What are you doing, buddy? How high can you jump? That's pretty good. You can do it again? Do you think we can get Parker to dance?
Yeah.
Parker, do you want to dance? Hey, Parker. Do not throw. Dance, Parker. You want to dance, buddy? Eddie's dancing. Dance, Parker. There you go, buddy. Good job, guys. Keep dancing. Dance, Parker. Dance, Parker. There you go, buddy. There you go. Good job, Eddie. Do you want to sing while you dance, Eddie? Okay, what song do you want to sing?
That is the song.
Sing it. Parker. He's okay. Parker, dance.
I'm gonna sing a different song.
Dance, buddy.
I'm gonna sing a different song.
Okay. You alright? What song are you gonna sing, Addie?
Say goodbye.
Dance, Parker.
Parker don't know how to sing.
No, not yet. That's why we need you to teach him. Because you have a beautiful voice, don't you?
He's not talking yet.
A little bit.
But he's quiet.
Yeah. Let's try and remember this moment. Is Roxy gonna dance?
No.
No. Well, Parker's gonna get Roxy.
Just like me, Parker.
Roxy. Uh-oh. Hi, Addie.
Can I see?
What's Roxy doing? Go chase Roxy. Oh, there's sound tactics. Oh, Parker didn't hold up his side. Roxy, what are you doing?
Roxy's just in my dress.
Yeah, the people that gave us the dress had dogs, so she's probably smelling the other dogs.
I want Roxy outside.
Why? Chase her. Roxy, go lay down. Come. Roxy. Alright, are you gonna sing? The parade of the Miller kids. Parker, go catch Eddie. Alright, Parker, can you blow kisses? Parker, look at Daddy. Blow kisses.
I want to see my picture.
Parker. Parker.
I want to see my picture.
We can watch it afterwards. Can you blow everybody kisses? Alright, there's one down. Parker, blow kisses. He's not feeling it right now. Parker, I see you. I see you. Blow kisses, Parker. Blow kisses, buddy. Alright, that's it for now.